Hi everybody. So I'd like to share, I just received my package from Peculiar Roots. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. Bear with me. Says on the box, embrace your uniqueness. Okay, so let me see, a card. Here we go. Comes with a nice thank you card. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have here lock. This is for the lock. Okay, but I don't, as you can see, I don't have locks, so I'll be using this on my natural hair, which is underneath this wig that I just cut recently, really short. So I'm gonna start out with this product and see how it works for me with my natural hair, which I'm trying to regrow. Okay, this is the oil. Stimulate and moisturize roots, hair nourishing, conditioning oil. And this is what it looks like. Ta-da! Next we have the shampoo. Refresh and renew while removing build-up and residues. Charcoal shampoo. Okay. And it's black. These bottles are pretty, really pretty. There are also instructions, directions on the back of the bottle on how to use this particular shampoo. Okay. And this is the conditioner, which is gray. Everything is so different about this product, like the colors, the bottles. They're definitely cute. This is a charcoal conditioner. I can't wait to use these. And I know my son is also gonna use them because he got dreads. We'll see about that. Oh, apple cider vinegar shampoo. Oh. So you know this is good ones. There's apple cider vinegar in it. Let me smell. It's strong too. With even the thing on the top, you could still smell it. It smells good. You can smell the charcoal. I could smell it through. No, it's properly sealed, so no. And also, this is a sweet orange shampoo bar. Never seen a shampoo bar before, so here we go. And of course, we have to smell it. I have to smell it. As human beings, that's what we do, smell. Everything is so strong. Here it is. See that? Those little thingy in it? Wow. It's very strong too. So, that's that. Last but not least is a cute little edge brush. Yeah, I really needed this. I don't have to use that more toothbrush for my edge brush. Now I got the real edge brush. Oh, that's not last. This is last. This is the edge tie, I guess, from after you finish doing your hair. You could like put it on to dry your hair. At least you could walk around a bit with it. And it goes a little something like this. Yeah, baby. You could probably wrap it around like this. Yeah, you can probably wrap it whichever way you want it. Like this. Go like this. You bring it around like this. And you button it right here. Oh, baby. Looking like Erica Badu. I could even wear this like this without washing my hair. Knowing me. Yes, ladies and gents. So, yes, and this is a pouch. I think, yeah, to put this in. Okay. So far, everything is amazing. You know, so I'm gonna try to lay them back out the way they came. I can't wait to use these products for my child, and they're going off the shelves real fast. So I'm happy I got mine before anything else. Did I look at this one? I don't think I did. Oh, this is the oil. This is the oil. Okay, stimulated and moisturized rose. Okay, so that is all, everybody. I'm about to get to work, and I'll keep you further posted after I use these products. If not on me, on my son with dreadlocks. But I'm definitely going to try these though. I'm definitely going to use them because they're mine. Okay, so thank you. Bye-bye.